have you guys been? It's been so fun because I literally don't have school. I have school, but I have an internship all semester long, so I don't have class. When my like 9 to 5 or like 8:30 to 4:30 or like 8 to 6 to 8 to 4 is done, I'm done. So today we're going to go to the bookstore because I love myself and I always treat myself. So I'm gonna get a book today. It's been a while actually since I've gone to the bookstore, so I pat myself in the back. This afternoon I have a Galentines because Valentine's Day is not over. So I have a Galentines with my girlies, and I think I'm gonna bring cupcakes. I think I'm gonna make cupcakes. Strawberry shortcake cupcakes. So I have to go to the grocery store. So bookstore, grocery store, sure, and then cupcakes and then Galentines. So it's a little fun day. I went to the gym as you saw earlier, and I went in on my session today. Like my legs were shaking and all by the end of my workout. So I think it's safe to say that my workout was successful. I did a full body workout. So, because I don't go as often as I should go, so I'd rather do a full body workout so that if I like skip a day, I would have done my whole body. My secret to fluffy eggs is water. I know it sounds weird, but I add like the littlest drop of water and it like oxygenify, is that even a word? It like adds oxygen in your eggs and it gets fluffier. So over seasoned eggs, they just give me the it's too much in my mouth all at the same time. Am I the only one who cuts like in their hands? I know it's dangerous, I know I shouldn't be doing this, but I mean, who needs a cutting board? Who? Nobody. Ooh, I haven't even shown you my outfit of the day. So I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans, yes. These jeans are thrifted. I'm so happy that I found them. They were like $20. I never find anything in the thrift store. But these, they were so cute. They're like carpenter, is the carpenter style? They're like, I don't know, but very cute, very fun, very fresh. This top is from Zara, and yeah, this necklace is my mother's. Well, actually no, it's not my mother's. My mother bought it for me in Dubai.
Take a look inside your heart, is there any room for me?
Rent-free in my head. That boy's a liar. Got a good thing. But no, if I'ma see you again. Have a good night.
Ben, clairement, moi, je vais le faire. Parce que moi, ça me parle pas de...
So I think I'm picking this. I'm not sure what it starts with us. I feel like I have received bad reviews and mixed reviews, so I'm not sure. My friend recommended it to me, so I think I'm gonna take this one. So yeah, I got the 2 books. It starts with us. Everybody and their grandmother told me that it was bad. But I don't know why. Maybe it's because it was only $20 that I just took it. But we'll see. We'll see, I guess. And Archer's Voice. So I'll get home and I'll read the synopsis for you.
Don't stress, don't stress, don't stress.
Just thinking to the left, left, left. So I got both. I'm gonna read you. The first one is Archer's Voice. It's chosen by Teresa. Every single time I pick a book from her suggestions. It's the bomb diggity. So I already know this book is going to be good. I wanted to lose myself in the small town of Pellion, Maine, to forget everything I had left behind. The sound of rain, the blood, the coldness of a gun against my skin. For 6 months, each breath has been a reminder that I survived, and my dad didn't. I'm almost safe again. But the moment I meet Archer Hale, my entire world tilts on its axis and never rights itself again. Until I trespass into his strange, silent, and isolated world, Archer communicates with no one. Yet, in his whiskey-colored eyes, something intangible happens between us. There's so much more to him than just beauty, his presence, or the way his hands communicate with me, on me. But this town is mired in secrets and betrayals, and Archer is the explosive center of it all. So much passion and so much hurt. But it's in Archer's silence that we might just find what we need to heal and to live. That's why I think it's cute. I think it's a loaded book. It seems like a book about a broken person. It's nice. And the queen of broken characters is Colleen Hoover. I decided to take it, to buy it. It was only $20. So I was like, okay, I'll just read it. I hope I'm the only one that likes a book. I hope I'm the only one. Because I mean, it's the sequel to It Ends With Us. So I'm guessing, you know, there's something there. It can't be this bad. So I'm gonna read it and I'll let you guys know. Lily and Ryle have just settled into a civil co-parenting rhythm with their daughter, Emerson, when Lily suddenly runs into Atlas nearly 2 years after they last spoke. Elated that the timing finally seems to be right to give that what they have together a real chance, Atlas asks Lily on a date. But Lily's excitement is almost immediately replaced by dread and anxiety when Lily remembers that Ryle, though no longer her husband, is still very much of her life. Sorry. And though Ryle would dislike Lily dating anyone but him, Atlas Currigan is the one man he absolutely will not stand having in his ex-wife and daughter's life. Told from the perspectives of Lily and Atlas, It Starts With Us gives readers a deeper look into Atlas's past as he and Lily reconnect and rekindle the love they shared as teenagers, while navigating a volatile ex-husband who believes Atlas to be one of the reasons his marriage with Lily ended. So can't wait to read both, actually. But before all of that, I really need to finish this damn book. Where the Crawdads Sing, I'm gonna read it. There's literally nothing going on. I can't seem to like hop in the story, to get into the story, and I forced myself to finish the book before watching the movie. So it's everything. It's just a lot of annoyance, but I will force myself to read. Oh my god, there's literally dust on the book because I don't touch it. If you haven't already, you need to build a TBR list. It helps so much. You don't search for a book for that long. When you're at the bookstore, you already know what you want. Build your TBR list right now. Okay, so I bought strawberries. I bought French vanilla cake mix for the cupcakes and artificial vanilla for the strawberries, you know. What I need: sugar, eggs, 3 eggs. I'm going to put water for my lactose intolerant babes. So egg, 1, 2. Tip: if you want to break the yolk from the egg, break it with the eggshell. I feel like everybody knows it, but you know what? I'm gonna say it anyways. And the oven is ready. Like, come on. Okay. You gotta fill half of it because you know you don't want it to be way too much. Guys, I forgot to put the little paper things that keep them all together. What a fail. Oh my god. I'm gonna continue like this and hope for the best, I guess. Alrighty, first step is done. Now we're gonna do the strawberries. Right. So my strawberry is ready. I'm gonna add the sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. And sugar, sugar, sugar. This and this. Really eyeballing right now. That smells good. Just going to leave it a little bit in the fridge so that it kind of gets the juices all flowing, you know? Now all we have to do is wait for the cupcake to be ready and cool down. So I'll see you guys after. It is time. Okay. So they did not stick. I'm so happy. So now I'm gonna fill them in with the what's it called? The strawberries. So yes, I've changed once again. Don't at me. I feel like that's like my favorite hairstyle. It looks like the Eiffel Tower is on top of my head, but I love it. Look at those macerated. That was the word that I was searching. Not seared. Seared is when you sear your meat. But look at the macerated cherries. Look at the macerated strawberries. My cousin told me that they tasted very good, and I can attest also that it tastes really good. So it's gonna be so delicious in the cupcakes. You keep the top, okay? So you dig a hole and then you put the cherry in it. The cherry, why do I say cherry? You put the strawberry in it. So cute, and then you top it off. Ta-da! So I'm gonna do this with the rest. I'm leaving, so just wanted to make a quick outfit check. Oh my god, sorry I hit you, but I'm wearing this. It's a pajama party, but I'll have pajamas that are not shorts, or I tried my super comfy pants, my super comfy pajama pants, and they don't fit me anymore. So like the gym be working, the gym is working out. But anyways, so I'm wearing this. It's from Fashion Nova. It's a cardigan, super soft, and I'm wearing like black loose pants, and I'm even gonna bring black slippers. So let's go to the little Galentines. I need a taste test. Hold on.
Taste test.
Okay. Taste it first.
I'm actually not even bullshitting.
The whipped cream on your lips.
Bro. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's a filling?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
Surprise.
Surprise, motherfucker. I need another strawberry up in this hole.
Oh, okay, hold
Oh
on.
my god, how the fuck did you do this, Mariétou?
Oh my god. Oh my god, your strawberry. I don't need more strawberry.
I'm proud. I'm
How
proud.
did you do that?
It's a secret I'll never tell. Watch my vlog. Watch my vlog.